Unit 4, Our Lifestyles. 1. Life in the Northern Mountains. We learnt in the previous chapter
that the northern mountains extend
from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. The climate in this region is very cold, and so human population is sparse. A number of rivers rise in the mountains.
Yaks
and mules carry goods from place to place. The Western Himalayas. These Himalayas comprises of A. The Kashmir Valley, B. Himachal Pradesh, and C. Garhwal and Kumaon. The Kashmir Valley.
The Kashmir Valley is well known for its natural scenery. It is a place that attracts the tourists. It is called by Jahangir as heaven on earth.
Srinagar is the important city. Srinagar is famous for its Vular and Dal lakes. The big boats are called as houseboats. Tourists enjoy the jolly ride in the boats. The small boats are called as the shikaras. Occupations. The main occupations of these people are farming, fruit growing, rearing of sheep, weaving carpets, blankets, and shawls.
Beautiful handicrafts are also made with wood,
metals, and papier mache.
It is paper mixed with glue and flour mixed in water
to make boxes, tray sets. The Pashmina shawls made by the Kashmiris are well known. Crops. They grow rice on the slopes and many kinds of fruits in their orchards. Kashmiri apples are loved by the people. Saffron is grown in some parts of Kashmir. Dress. Loose clothes are worn by the Kashmiris. The loose shirt they wear is called the firan.
Both men and women wear salwar under the firan.
The hot earthen pot called kangri is put under firan to keep themselves warm. Himachal Pradesh. Location. South of Jammu and Kashmir is the Himachal Pradesh. Its capital is Shimla. It is a beautiful city attracting a number of tourists every year. Occupation. Farming is their main occupation. Crops. The crops they grow are rice, maize, and barley. Besides these, they also grow fruits like apples, apricots, plums, pears, peaches, and grapes. Sheep and goat are reared by them. Dress. The people here wear colorful clothes. Tight pajamas with shirts are worn by both men and women. Men wear beautiful embroidered caps and women wear scarves. Music and dance. The people here are fond of dance and music. The popular folk dance of the people here is Nati. Dashera, especially that of Kula and Kangra, is very famous. It is attracted by a number of foreigners and tourists. Garhwal and Kumaon. Location. They are located in the northern regions of Uttarakhand. The Ganga and Yamuna drain this region. The pilgrimage centers of Gangotri, Badrinath and Kedarnath are located here. Hill stations. Mussoorie and Nainital are the two famous hill stations. People here are hardworking and brave and love to join the army. Occupation. Farming is the main occupation of the people. Rearing of animals is also done. Crops. The crops like rice, wheat, maize and vegetables grow here. The Eastern Himalayas. The Eastern Himalayas comprise of Sikkim and Darjeeling. Sikkim.
Sikkim is the smallest state with Gangtok as its capital. The third highest mountain peak, Kanchenjunga, is located here.
Occupation. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Famous for. Sikkim is famous for orchids. Dress. Women of this state wear long skirt called boku and also put on beautiful jewelry made of beads. Darjeeling. Location. It is a hill station located north of West Bengal state. Famous for. Darjeeling is well known for its tea plantations grown on slopes. The Northeastern Himalayas. The Northeastern Himalayas comprise of the seven sister states. They are Arunachal Pradesh. Location. It is the place where the river Brahmaputra enters India. Capital. Its capital is Itanagar. Food. The people here mainly depend on agriculture and forest produce. Assam. Location. It is the biggest state in the northeastern region. Capital. Its capital is Dispur. Occupation. People here mainly work on tea plantations. Famous for. It is famous for silk. Meghalaya. Location. Located in Khasi, Jaintia and Garo hills. Capital. Shillong, a beautiful hill station. Famous for. Heavy rains, beautiful sceneries. It is also famous for the crops and fruits. Nagaland. It is the home of Nagas. Capital. Kohima is the capital. Occupation. Farming. Famous for shawls. Manipur. Capital. Imphal is the capital. Occupations. Farming, hunting, weaving. Famous for Manipuri dance. Mizoram. Location.
South of the northeastern region.
Capital. Aizawl. Language. Mizo. Occupation. Farming. Tripura. Location.
Surrounded by Bangladesh on 3 sides.
Capital.
Agartala.
Crops. Rice and jute.
Let's revise the important points.
1. The northern mountain comprise of the western Himalayas, in which we find the Kashmir Valley, Himachal Pradesh, and Garhwal and Kumaon. Eastern Himalayas comprise of Sikkim and Darjeeling, and the northeastern Himalayas, the Seven Sisters. 2. Kashmir Valley is described as heaven on earth by Jahangir. 3. The main crops that grow here are rice, wheat, maize, vegetables and fruits. 4. The people are mostly farmers, shepherds and artisans. 5. The customs of the people vary from place to place.